So here she is, the van we've chosen. She's why? Why are you laughing? Am I doing something weird?
So here she is, the van we've chosen.
To put this stuff on the outside, and then have the Cellotax board. Do you know what? This is all the shit.
Oh yeah, it's not gonna keep it out.
It's not gonna make much of a difference.
It's
The
a
floor won't
tutorial.
matter too much.
It's meant to be a tutorial and you fucked it up.
I mean, the floor is just going to be.
Okay, fine.
It's not a tutorial anyway. It's just a story.
Yeah.
Welcome to my story. This would make sense to be on the outside first. Are you like?
Okay, sorry.
So this would make sense to me. I guess it's just using the philosophy of prepare for the worst, hope for the best. Hope for the best, prepare for the worst, hope for the best. It's just I guess it's just using the philosophy of hope for the best, prepare for the worst. Fuck off. Hi guys. Welcome to DIY Fun Time. I guess it's just using the philosophy of hope for the best, but prepare.
Prepare for the worst. What's wrong with you?
I don't know. I guess it's just the philosophy of prepare for.
Hope for the best, prepare for the worst.
I guess it's just the philosophy of hope for the best, prepare for the worst. It wasn't. I didn't really say it, but prepare. It's these braces, and she knows. So we're going to find places for it all, and then what? I'm going to do then.
He comes back, he was like, key. I'm like, okay, yes. He goes like, I'm like, Very nice though.
Thanks for watching. All links to products, materials, everything else that I've used will be in the description, along with some other little handy links. And then at the end of this really cool little outro thing, there's some info on the ebook. Cheers guys.